back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this look, and I feel like this look would be perfect for Valentine's Day or just date night or whenever you're feeling a little bit more bold. But yeah, this is the look I created, and if you guys want to keep up with our videos, please make sure to turn on your post notifications so that you do not miss a video, because we're going to be posting every single day. So it's going to be pretty hard for you to keep up without your post notifications on. So yeah. Jumping right into this tutorial, the first thing that I'm going to be doing is priming my eyes with some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and then I blend it out with a damp beauty sponge and then set it with some translucent powder. And my go-to brow bone highlight is the Pop Beauty Celestial Light highlighter, and that's what I used as my brow bone highlight. Now jumping into the Morphe 35O2 palette, I'm taking the shade Universal and I'm just buffing that all over my crease. Next, I'm going to be picking up the shade Fire, which is this beautiful matte red shade, and I'm just going to be buffing that, I'm going to take a brow brush, so like a really small angled brush, and I'm just going to start to create that line in my crease. And then I go back into that Fire shade and a more fluffy brush, and I just go in back and forth motions really just to blend that line out. And then I go back in with the shade Fire and I pack that all over the lid. For wing liner, I'm going to be using the Balm Cosmetics liner. And I like this liner because it dries down super matte. And for lashes today, I'm going to be using the Sofie Bella lashes in the style called Bali. And in my waterline, I'm using the Makeup Forever Black Aqua XL pencil. And then I'm taking that same Celestial Light highlight that we applied to our brow bone, and I'm putting that in my inner tear duct just to really brighten that area. Next, I'm going in with the shade Heat, and I'm just going to be buffing that all over my lower lash line. And then going in with the shade Toast, I'm just going to be adding more depth to the lower lash line on the outer corner. On my lower lashes, I'm just going to finish off with some lower lash mascara. And moving on to the face, I'm using my Perricone MD Cold Plasma Face Moisturizer. And this moisturizer is really expensive. Do not feel the need to go get it, but it definitely does a really good job of moisturizing the skin. And I'm mixing my Bare Minerals foundation with my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Wonder foundation. And I really like how those two mix together, and I really love the finish of it. And moving on to contour, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut, Chestnut. And I'm just going to be contouring my nose, my lips, and this part's going to look a little bit weird, but once we blend it out, you'll see what it did to my lips. I'm also going to be contouring my cheekbones and my jawline, just to give a little bit more of a chiseled jawline look, because I feel like I have a little bit of a double chin going on right now. And then I go in with a damp beauty sponge, the same one that I used to blend out my foundation, and I just merge those products together. And for concealer, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer. And I've really been loving this concealer because I find that it's super hydrating, but yet still full coverage. And I just applied it to all the center parts of my face, and then I blended it out with a damp beauty sponge. And then now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and I'm just going to be baking underneath my eyes and down the center of my nose. And then I go ahead and wipe it away with a powder brush. For highlight, I'm using the Violet Voss Prismatic Loose Highlight in the shade Daydream, and this highlight has been my go-to. It's so beautiful and golden, and it's just the highlight that I've always dreamt of. And for bronzer, I'm going to be using the Satin Bronzer from BH Cosmetics, and for blush, I'm using the Peachy Love blush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And this is one of my favorite blushes. It's really beautiful, and it just matched this look perfectly. And then for lip liner, I'm using the Makeup Forever lip liner in the shade number 12. And then I mixed 2 Dose of Color satin lipsticks. I mixed Butterscotch and Toast. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next one.
everything.